Okay, today I'm at my dad's shop and we're working on the 1929 Buick manifold. It had an intake leak, and we're going to fix it permanently. And then we'll also be working on the 1926 Model T Touring, which is almost done. Okay, while the valve cover is off, I'm going to tighten some of these overhead valves. Some of them have play, so they need to be tightened. Like, this one doesn't have any play, so this is good. This one has some play, so I'll tighten the ones that have play. So I ended up changing all the spark plugs and messing with the timing on the car and adjusting the carburetor. Me and my dad together got the manifold to quit leaking. It was a booger, but we did it. Anyway, let me show you some video of me working on it. And the car runs much better now, and the tappets and overhead valves are much quieter. I did find a little bit of metal in the overhead valve cover, but I believe that's because when I first got the car, I didn't realize it. But the oil line was plugged up, so it wasn't getting oil flow to the valves, the overhead valves, or the front bearings, and all that jazz. I fixed that after I drove it about 56 miles, and so I'm pretty sure that chunk was from when that happened, because after I fixed the spark plugs and the timing and that manifold intake manifold leak, the valves are very quiet now. The overhead valves, you can't really hear them ticking along. Well, you can, but you have to really listen for it. And when the car is moving really fast, it's very quiet. Can you believe those are so easy to listen?
What part of this do you take apart, Marcus?
That's just a tube plugged in there. It'll just cut you this kind of part. You gotta undo. Hold on. You gotta undo this. What thing? Yeah, somebody put those on. Because it probably leaked. I brought this, so you want to scrape the gasket.
Oh, we have gas.
This stuff is Get it?
Yeah.
I just know it's quick. I have to repaint my whole car.
One wrench, you can take one to apart?
Yeah, pretty much.
Here, why don't you stand where you like sitting up there?
I like sitting. Yes, behind you. I need to pinch you, but
That'd be wise. What you need?
There's like welding going on there. Oh, I do. I keep it down here. Okay, it is kind of dark now, but let me show you the new spark plugs. There they are. And we messed with the carburetor some and got this thing almost dialed in perfectly. Let me close this and show y'all. I'll go ahead and start it. It's gonna need the choke for a minute to get started. Here we go. Hurry. Okay, my dad had a DoorDash order come while I was filming this, but the car is on. In order to make it run smoother, the choke can be pulled out a little. That's gonna have to be fiddled with, but here we go. Let's give it some gas. And now pull choke. There we go. Oh, and there it is. Now, after I've run the car for a little bit, I have to come over here and put some grease in the water pump, or else it will drip. It's actually not dripping right now, but we'll pack some more grease in there just to be safe. Okay.